Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Nvidia stocks. For today I'm going to be using a Trading to 12 application, which is a really good investing in stocks app, and it's really convenient for the beginners. So first of all, you want to go ahead and find Nvidia stock. So for example, I have it on my watch list now, but to find it, you just go on search, click on search and write down Nvidia. And you will find all of these options. You want to choose a NASDAQ one. And you can also go ahead and see the price. So for example, through this month, through the whole month, it is one of the lowest prices now. So you want to go ahead and click on buy. But first, you of course will need to go ahead and have a funds. So as you can see, I cannot buy it now, but basically you're just gonna enter the value, review your order, but first you will need to go ahead and deposit some funds. So to deposit some funds, you want to go ahead, click at the top where it says, for example, for me 1,200, and click deposit funds. So you can go ahead actually and select a payment method like a bank transfer, add a new bank account, or choose a card or Apple Pay. After you will deposit your funds, you will see them on your free funds right there. And after that, you're of course going to click on Nvidia, click on buy and buy it with your free funds, and you will see it on your portfolio right there. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.